Hello world is just like the way we saying in programming. When you say hello world, the first thing you learn in programming. So hello world. I usually wear glasses, but because of steaming, when I'm wearing it here with the mask, it's hard. And maybe you wonder why I'm wearing a mask, okay? And or maybe me, want to explain why I'm wearing mask because I don't usually wear mask in my daily life, but in YouTube I want to start to wear mask because really I don't like the idea of people using AI to you know uh, change anyone, like taking your face and put your face in totally different body or situation or whatever. So I don't like that as a Muslim woman. I respect privacy for everyone, whether you are Muslim or not. So I decided to make my video with mask. So yeah, hi, my name is Wanag. I'm 50 years old, and yeah, I don't look like 50. I know, I look like 16 or something. I'm 20. I know. That's fine. Anyways, so in this video, I want to talk to you about why I'm starting YouTube channel and maybe why you should start your own thing, whether it's YouTube or anything else, whatever dream you have. Because for me, YouTube is a dream I had for many years. I had this, I actually started my YouTube channel in, I opened my account in 2007. Yeah, I think uh, I'm the first one in UK opening my account. In 2010, I posted my first video, and it was in Arabic language in another channel. So I created so many channels, and all of them, I think it was in Arabic because I don't have this confidence in speaking in English. For some reason, in my mind, there's something, a voice telling me, "Oh, your English is not perfect. Don't speak English. Don't embarrass yourself. Whatever." All these negative thoughts in my head. So I boast in Arabic. Why I did not continue with my Arabic channels? But for me, I always wanted to start my YouTube channel in English because I want to improve my English and have this confidence. The main reason I wanted to post in English, I wanted to my daughter to understand the videos because she does not understand Arabic. So I want her to understand my videos. I just want to leave like something for her, to watch in future, nice memories. And my main reason to want to do videos in the first place is I have a passion for creating things all my life. And I fall in love with creating videos for a long time in in the 90s, and we used to have a camera. It's not a camera, like I forgot what's called cam something. It's like this. So I love to take videos to for especially for outside scenes, for daily life, for my family, for I don't know. I love create things. I love this experience, and videos is capture that moment of it's beautiful photography and videography. I love that. And also I love businesses, like um, everything about businesses, like business stories, founders, how the stories, all these things. I love that. So I was like, maybe I can talk about both things together. Just want to share this the things I love, and that's give me sense of purpose. Like I don't know. It just give me sense of purpose, like I'm creating something and sharing something with people. Okay, so that's the main two reason why I want to start YouTube. And the third reason, if I'm being honest, okay, which is the reason most of the people they don't say it when they starting YouTube, I want to make money from YouTube. Like I want to make YouTube as my business. It's not the money is the business. Can I build this business? Okay. Do I have the mindset, the skills? So I want to see myself if I can do this. So that's the main reasons why I want to start YouTube. Not to start YouTube, I mean to post videos. Um, so if you find this interesting, you can follow my journey, how I'm gonna build my YouTube channel as a business. And I'm planning to post every day, like every single day, because I'm gonna work on my business every single day. Okay, you cannot skip a day and without working on your business or working on your passion. Okay, so YouTube for me is a passion, is a business, is everything I feel I wanted. So yeah, so you have to work it every day to achieve what you want to achieve in your dreams and goals. So that's what I wanted to do. I want to post every day. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. If you like what I've just said, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, peace.